In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect GoHighLevel pages and websites tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to add a simple password gate to any GoHighLevel page using a small custom code block. This is perfect for lightly gating content like event pages, client resources, or internal notes. Just keep in mind, this method is a basic front-end lock. For truly sensitive content, use full user authentication or memberships. First, open your GoHighLevel account and head to the Sites area. This is where all funnels and websites live. Inside Sites, switch to the Websites section. You'll see a list of websites you've created. Find the one that contains the page you want to protect. If you manage multiple brands or locations, double-check you're in the correct workspace so you don't edit the wrong site. Open the website and select the page you want to protect. Then, click Edit to launch the page builder. Give the builder a moment to load your layout and elements. Before you add anything, it helps to identify where you want the protection to take effect. Since the code will run when the page loads, it doesn't need to be visible to the user. But placing it near the top of the page keeps things tidy inside your editor. Now add a custom HTML/JavaScript element to the page. You'll find it in the Elements panel. Drag it onto the canvas, ideally near the top of the structure so it initializes right away. It won't change the look of your page by itself. It's just a container for the script that will handle the password prompt. With the element selected, open the code editor. This is where you'll paste your password protection snippet. Use the script you've prepared and update any placeholder text, such as the password string and the message users will see. Keep the password simple enough for your audience to remember, but avoid reusing sensitive credentials. Because this runs in the browser, never store real secrets here. If your snippet includes a redirect for incorrect passwords or limits attempts, confirm those details match your needs. After you've pasted and reviewed the code, click Save. The builder will confirm your changes, and the script will now load with the page. To verify, refresh the page or preview it in a new tab, and ensure the prompt appears before content is accessible. If you don't see it right away, clear your cache or try an incognito window. That's it. Your GoHighLevel page is now protected with a quick, effective password gate.